Shall we begin? Let's begin.
In the air, that's amazing. Nice catch. That's so good. It's a fish too, so right? It's a fish, so they're allowed to eat it.
That's true.
Nice catch. Nice catch. Ready? Here we go. So good.
I don't think it notices it.
I think it does. I think it notices food from
Or
afar.
maybe it's scared of you.
Wow, it ate from my hand earlier.
Well, now it knows that it's on video.
It's embarrassed. Did you get it earlier, eating from my hand?
I don't remember.
Come here. Come on. Ready? Ah. Oh my.
Wow.
That is too good. Oh, that was a horrible throw. I'm sorry. Oh shoot, they just hit each other. That is so good.
One time my sister was feeding ducks and she ran out of bread and then they started attacking her.
Oh shoot, this is scary.
Woo, they're all here now.
Hey, this is for you.
Jim, they're all here.
This is scary. It's like Attack of the Birds.
Uh-oh. Hopefully they don't attack us once he ran out.
That one's yours. This one's yours. Oh, you meanies. Ready? Hey, you be nice. That's the one with the talent.
Maybe you should hold it out again.
No, this is too scary.
They all come flying to you.
Exactly.
Aw.
Wow, these are so... The birds are amazing. Holy crap. Well, that one sucks. Okay, this is for the big one. Here we go. Ready? Catch. Nice. Nice. Whoosh. Okay, this is a good old faithful. Okay, this one's for you, say. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh my. Hey, monkey in the middle.
Oh,
Man, these guys
your
are
face
awesome.
is in it a little.
That doesn't matter.
How long do you want this video? It's 4 minutes now.
You're 4 minutes now. Okay, you can cut it off whenever you want. Oh shoot. Okay, so we are out of crackers, but the birds don't seem to know that. So they're all still waiting, and they're all staring at us, and it's rude because their mothers never taught them not to stare because it's rude and it's mean. And I don't like getting stared at. Oh, there's a bird over there. Just ran over across our towels behind us. What a jerk. Just getting your dirty rodent feet in our stuff. Hey, bugger off.
Oh, you can't
Hey,
see it.
shame.
It's too dark there.
Shame. Okay, that's kind of weird.
They're moving away now, though.
That's good.
They're wandering, trying to look for more.
Sorry, guys. We're all
Crackers.
out. You ate all of our crackers. Jerks. Not saving any for us.
This one doesn't seem to know.
Hey. Hey. Go away. It's because we have Oreos. They don't want Oreos, right?
I don't think so.
Oh man, that'd be awesome though, because you could throw it and it'd be like a frisbee and it'd like float.
I don't think they'd be able to.
He's trying to pick up the crumbs. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie.
They're all just waiting.
Yeah, they're gonna have to wait a long time. Because I don't have any more. Unless you want to feed them Oreos, but I don't think we do.
I don't think so either.
I don't think that's part of their natural food diet.
At least the crackers were goldfish.
Yeah, because they're fish, so seagulls eat fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And trash. Okay, we're done. Show's over.